we're recording today is to show you guys how I'm gonna be doing my godson side of his bed. Over there, as you can see, he's 6 months old and he spent some time with me. I got that, actually his name is Isaiah. I got it from Amazon. If you want a link to that listing on Amazon, let me know in the comment section. But I got that name when he was born. It's on there, but I wanted to do something more. It seems so plain. Right now we are gonna do something. What I decided to do is do a picture collage wall. A lot of people do it, and I just think it would be cool to kind of put it around his name. I did some photo shoot for him like a few weeks ago, and I decided to print out the pictures in black and white so it can go with the theme to my room. I'll show you guys what the pictures look like, and then I'll show you guys how we're gonna do this. I've never done this picture collage before, so this is my first time. Yeah, we're gonna learn and do this together. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If this video was helpful, do not forget to share it. Also follow me on my social media, on my Instagram, on my Snapchat, for more information and for more details of most of the things that I get and do before I post it on YouTube. So let's roll this video. ODABO. Peace out. Bye. Like I said, I got the pictures printed out. I have 35. I don't really have a specific number of pictures. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but I think 35 should be enough. So this are his pictures right now. I added a little grain to it when I was editing it, just to give it a little bit texture. These are all the pictures. So you're gonna need this, and you need some tape, something like that. First thing I'm gonna do is separate the portrait and the landscape from each other, so that way I know what I'm doing. Alright, so now that I have the landscape and the portrait, what we're gonna do is, I have 4 sides that I want to put pictures on. So I'm gonna try to divide these pictures into 4 sides, well, in 4 places. Get my English is messed up. I'm gonna divide these pictures in 4 places, so each of the squares or corners get the right amount of pictures, if that makes any sense. So now I have 4 equal pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 4 in each. I have 3 extra ones. I think I'm gonna frame this one, and then I'm probably gonna give his mom one of this, and I don't know what I'll do with the other ones. But yeah, let's get this wall started. The second thing you're gonna do is get your tape right now. I'm gonna cut the side away because it's useless. So right now you want to cut this tape like this. I'm so sorry if there is noise in the background. My goddaughter is here with a mom and they're doing something. So yeah, so you cut this. This is the tip. This is the tape part. So you want to, this is what you want to do. This is the middle, right? So you want to place this side in the middle. Oh God, fix you, Kenny. Do this right. Place it in the middle. The other side, place it on top of the other one. Jeez, I can't get shit right. Alright, here we go. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. You want to take this. After that, the next thing you're going to do, get this. You want to put the tape on each side, or each corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get this. Put it right here. Put it right here. Do the same thing to 1, well, to 2, 3, 4, and then put it on the wall. So here we are. This is the wall. The first thing I'm going to do, of course, is move this crib out of the way. Yeah, let's move this.
Hey, feeling